Hello and welcome to Microsoft Excel course Advanced. In part 1, we have discussed how to modify a worksheet. In part 2, we will work with AutoSum command. Now in part 2, we will see how we can make use of the AutoSum command for getting a total of the given set of data. That is how we can make use of the AutoSum command in the same manner in which we use the sum function. Plus AutoSum command can also be used to find the average, count, min and max, and some other functionalities are there. How we can change the range, how we can make use of a different range. We will see all those things in part 2. We have an example over here where I have inserted the marks of 10 students in English, Hindi, Maths and Science and Computer, where we want to calculate the total marks and the average, plus we will see how we can find the maximum, minimum and count. In the previous course, Microsoft Excel course beginners, we have discussed how we can make use of the functions to perform the same functionality. Here we are not going to use the inbuilt function, but we will make use of the AutoSum command. So make the cell active wherever you want to calculate. Say I want to calculate the total. This is my active cell. Once it is active, in your home tab under the editing group, you have the AutoSum command. Click on the AutoSum command. You will get your function, the sum function automatically. You don't have to type anything. Plus the range, the adjacent cells, it will deduct for the adjacent cells and give you the range. If at any time you want to change this range, you can do the modification. You can go to the formula bar. There you can make the changes, or here itself you can make the changes. Once you are done, simply press the enter key. You can also click on the tick mark over here. Let's see. You got the total, that is sum of English, Hindi, Maths, Science and Computers. This is one way of using the AutoSum. Now the same thing is available in your formulas tab also. We have made this cell as active cell. Click on formulas tab. Under the function library, you have the AutoSum command. Click on AutoSum. Again, you got the range being selected for you. If you want, you can make changes to the range. I want only the marks of English, Hindi, Maths and Science. I have changed the range. Here you can see C3 to F3 and press the enter key. You got the result. Anytime you want to make changes to this formula, you can always make the partial modification. Go back to the formula and make the changes and press the enter key. You can see over here. Now to calculate the total of all the students, either you can individually select or you can make use of the fill handle to copy and paste the formulas. So AutoSum can be used for calculating the total. Plus I told you ki we can calculate the average also. So we have the total in place. Let's calculate the average. Select this cell, make it the active cell. Go to home tab. Under the editing group, instead of clicking the AutoSum command over here, click on the drop down and select the desired function. We want to calculate the average. Let's click on average. The range is being provided to us, but we don't want to include total over here, so I can omit it. I can make the modification and press the enter key. You got the average. Same functionality is available in formulas, and under your function library you can make use of that as well. Here we got the average. Now say for example I want to find out the maximum, which student has, what is the maximum marks which has been secured in English subject. So make this cell as the active cell. I want this column to be used. Go to AutoSum. Click on the drop down and click on max and press the enter key. Now maximum marks which someone got in English is 97. If I want to calculate the minimum in Hindi subject, again click on AutoSum and make use of the min function. Same way you can make use of the count also. We already know that there are only 10 students and it makes use of only the numeric values, or it takes into account only the numeric data. So we'll get 10 as the answer. So we can make use of the AutoSum command to calculate the sum, average, min, max. Same way, the way we were typing the inbuilt functions on our own, supplying the cell ranges to them, that can be done within clicks, within seconds, that can be performed. So this is the use of AutoSum function which we have discussed in part 2. In part 3, we will see how to insert an image, shape, or a smart art and a background to a worksheet. Thank you.